Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, project undertaken by Sadhana Quality Circle of Raw Material Handling Plant brings about several tangible and intangible benefits for the company. And mushroom cultivation training imparted to the villagers of peripheral block of SAIL RSP. Now the news in detail. The creative ideas of the enterprising employees of Sadhana Quality Circle of Rourkela Steel Plant's Raw Material Handling Plant Department has helped in bringing about a substantial savings of around rupees 1 crore for the company. The team comprising of Mr. A.K. Panda, Mr. P. Pandey, Mr. D.K. Patel, Mr. R.N. Behra, Mr. S.K. Samal, Mr. C.M. Nayak, all SOSTs of RMHP left no stone unturned to successfully implement the project titled To Enhance the Handling of Quality of Raw Material, undertaken as a Quality Circle endeavor. The facilitator of the group was Mr. S. Bhanja Deo, Manager RMHP. It may be noted that in belt conveyors 7 and 8 of RMHP, samples of materials were being collected manually. The running belts had to be stopped to collect the samples. When stop command was given, due to geared motor with brake assemble, the rotating scoop sample cutter stays in parking position. Accordingly, wet and sticky material would get stuck on the walls of chute. Odd size lump and foreign material stuck up would often compel the scoop to stay in odd position. This was resulting in damaging the belt conveyors, production delay and high maintenance cost. The sampling method also needed an upgradation for more accurate results. A thorough study helped the team to identify the root cause that was present in the conveyors 7 and 8. The team, with the help of design as well as research and control laboratories departments, successfully designed, fabricated and installed the new system at the head end of the belt conveyors 7 and 8 using in-house resources. The system facilitates collection of incremental samples from material flow without stopping the conveyor belts. Apart from the projected financial benefits, the new system improved the efficiency, productivity, quality and safety of the department. The new system also facilitates hassle-free maintenance and low cost involved thereby. The project helped the team to bag Distinguished Award in NCQC 2020, held in virtual mode recently. A 2-day mushroom cultivation training was organized at the Institute of Periphery Development, IPD of Rourkela Steel Plant on 22nd and 23rd January. Mr. M.V. Apparao, GM in charge CSR, presided over the closing session of the training program. Also present were Mrs. Munmun Mitra, DGM CSR and other officials of the department. In all, 10 women and 5 men from Bagdega, Kairkera, Garda, Barilepta and Khairtola villages of Nuagaon block attended the training program. The sessions included theoretical inputs on Dhingri mushroom cultivation process along with practical demonstration. The training was imparted by master trainers Mr. Tintus Vengra and Mr. Benedict Ekka, both from CSR department, and Mrs. Kamla Topo, master trainer of Suman Women Resource Center, WRC, of Dalposh village. The formal opening and closing functions were coordinated by Mr. Benedict Ekka. It is worth mentioning that the CSR department of SAIL RSP has set up Mother Culture Production Center at IPD Sector 20 and Mushroom Seed Producing Center at Women Resource Center of Dalposh for facilitating mushroom cultivation as a supplementary means of income generation in and around Rourkela. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.